Welcome to the SciBot version 0.1 overview. We have all our electronics and mechatronics hooked up to a 32-bit ARM-based control board. It converts CNC code from various sources into stepper motor movement and extruder movement. We have 3 stepper motors, X, Y, and Z, hooked up. Then we have an extruder hooked up with an extrusion motor. We have a cooling fan, and we have a touch screen. These icons on this touchscreen can be programmed to execute any G-code we want. They can be any color and shape we want. We can create our own custom icons, and it sends that serial data into the control board, sends G-codes to the control board. So let's take a look at what this thing can do. Also, it has USB. I have an extension on there, just like we do in the Fab Lab. And let's take a look and see what would happen if a guest would print something. There we go. They can see My Creature right there, and they'd click on it, and then they could run that. You could also navigate around to different menus. Okay, let's look at some of the touchscreen. Works very well. It's pretty sensitive. It's similar to a cell phone. We have Wi-Fi, so we can also connect through Wi-Fi as well. Let's turn a fan on and off, because you can see that on the side of the frame there. I'm going to move that up to 100%. There, and we see that fan turned on. Now let's turn it off. So that's a little weird there, like it says close. I would say power instead, so we can change that icon. You do all that in the software that comes with, that's downloadable from MakerBase, and then it creates the binary files for these icons and the G-codes. All right. Let's go look at some movement. Let's go to Tools, Move. Actually, let's go to the extruder. Extrude. And then let's go to fast. That's normal. Fast. Let's go to 10 millimeters of filament. And then let's go in, and then I'll back away so you can see the extruder move. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's a basic overview of the capabilities of this low-cost setup from MakerBase. Actually, these are surplus stepper motors that were pulled out of something as well. So this would be a low-cost version, an affordable version of controls for a do-it-yourself 3D printer. A SciBot project, really. Okay, thanks a lot.